Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Sarver's RC. Hurricane Hillary brought us some rain, so I figured we'd take the Traxxas Sledge out for a little mud run rainy day bash. One positive is we got no dust. Stupid tumbleweed pile, I still can't see nothing. Got some low spots in the track that make some puddles. D-boot backflip 6S's hooking up well, slinging some mud. I did put these shocks in the highest position since, you know, I'm not racing this thing. I tend to just bring it out here, rip it around, hit the jumps, so figured more ground clearance is better. I was skeptical on if the rain was going to make it our way. Bakersfield, they always say it's going to hit us, and it never does. But we have had a pretty big downpour all day. So I've been waiting for it to get nice and sloppy out here for you guys and rip this thing around. See if we could hit this jump. Nice little rainy day backflip. Hit the Fresh Park ramp. After running the XRT for its first run yesterday, it was about 102 and just super dusty out here. So, I mean, granted, I wouldn't want to do this with that truck, but fun to get this thing out and rip it. Oh, missed the ramp. Sledge, honestly, is probably one of the most fun vehicles I have. You know, even stock, it's super fast, handles great. It's like a mini XRT. Oh, edged it. Jumps well, flips well. Just, I mean, it's pretty freaking durable too. Just a ton of fun. So happy to get this thing out and rip it a little bit. Let's see if we can line it up. It's crazy. I mean, I guess if you think about it, a vehicle too in a large puddle, it slows it down, but it's crazy how much the puddles slow it down. Oh. Oh, tumbleweed pile. It's almost like a complete water landing. Fresh Park kicks you just right into that huge puddle. So we'll see if Hurricane Hillary lasts the rest of the night and tomorrow. We'll see. They keep us home from work. You'll know what I'll be doing. Ripping some trucks. Probably bring the E-Revo out. I still absolutely love that truck. Content doesn't seem to do that well. I mean, it's an old vehicle, so I get it, but never underestimate the E-Revo, guys. Although the Sledge is basically a new E-Revo mixed with an XRT. So I get it, it's new, everybody loves it, I love it too. Fresh park ramp, not good for backflips, but man is it fun to send it on that thing. I mean, just sends you perfectly. Nice high launch distance every single time, it's consistent. Being steel, there's no give. You know exactly what you're getting every time. Oh no, just barely hit the edge of it. Threw it for a digger. Wash it off a little bit. Sure, it pains some of you guys to see it go through the mud and water like this, but hey, that's what they're for. Break, fix, upgrade, repeat. Oh no. Saved it from the tumbleweeds. It's hard to line this jump up. Oh. Well, might have blew a pinion. Sounds like it. All right, guys. Well, last jump I was planning to do, of course, the last one is always the last one. Every time you tell yourself it's going to be your last jump. So we'll assess the damage and see what we broke. As always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. A little Hurricane Hillary content for you. Thanks.